Hey everybody, Jacqueline at the Farmington Community Library here to give you a quick tutorial on making lists in the library catalog. These are really handy for you to be able to use to keep track of the items you want to read, watch, and listen to in the future, or even use them to keep track of things that you have read in the past. So I'm going to have you start at the library's homepage, which is farmlive.org, and from there I'm going to have you go over to the My Account link at the top right-hand side of the page. You're going to give that a click. On the next screen, you're going to pop in your library card number as well as the last four digits of your telephone number. Once you're logged into your account, you're going to see on the left-hand side a link for My Lists. You may have to click that to expand it, and if so, just give it one click, either right on the arrow or somewhere in this box here, and it'll expand it so you can see where to create a new saved list. Today, we're going to click on that, and when you do this for the first time, it's going to ask you to click OK after you read this message. What this is telling you is that they're asking you to say OK, that you understand that this means that the catalog is going to save this information, which we do not do by default. So this is just you giving permission for the system to save that information. So once you click OK, you're going to create your first list, which I'm going to call Read. And I'm going to click Create List. Next, I'm going to do another one, and I'm going to call that Watch. And I'm going to create a third one today called Listen. And once I've got those created, you'll see over here on the left that they're all created, but now I need to populate them because they all have 0 items currently on them. To do that, I'm going to do a search in the catalog, and I'm going to start with a keyword search. Last year, a whole bunch of people I know read this book, Where the Crawdads Sing, and I want to make sure I don't miss it. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the search option here. It's going to bring up all the results we have, the different formats. I want to choose just the regular print book, and I found that here based on this icon. If you come over here to where it says Add to List and you click it, it's going to give you those choices that you just created. Now, if you are not logged into your account and you click Add to List, it will save it to a temporary one for you, but once you close the browser window, that will disappear and you'll have to start again. So I would encourage you to log in. I'm going to add it to my read list, and now if we go back to the top, you'll see that on my list of lists, Read is now populated with a single title. I'm going to do the same thing. I had a chance to reread Harry Potter recently, and now I want to go back and watch the movie. So I'm going to start with the first one, and this time I'm going to limit it because I know that I want to just watch the movie. I'm going to limit it to DVD, and I'm going to do a quick search. And I'm going to find the DVD on the list, and here it is, and I'm going to add to list, and I'm going to add that to watch. And now you'll see over here that watch has been populated with a title. Now, if you go into those lists by clicking on the name of them later on, you can simply remove anything that you have already read, watched, or listened to with one click on the Remove button. You can also sort it by these categories just by clicking on here. That'll make more sense when you have more in your lists. But I hope that you'll find these useful, and if you have questions, we encourage you to get a hold of us. But otherwise, I wish you happy list making. Thanks for watching, everybody. Hope you're having a great day.